How does mAh affect a power bank's charging capacity? Imagine you are carrying a device that can store energy like a reservoir, ready to supply power whenever your gadgets need a boost. The size of this reservoir is measured in milliampere hours, or mAh. But what does this number truly tell us about how much energy your power bank can deliver? Understanding this can help you choose the right device for your needs and ensure your electronic devices stay charged during your busy day. Milliampere hours indicate the total amount of electric charge a power bank can hold. Essentially, it reflects the capacity of the battery inside the device. A higher mAh rating means the power bank can store more energy, which generally translates to the ability to charge your smartphone multiple times before needing to be recharged itself. For example, a power bank with a capacity of 20,000 milliampere hours can provide several full charges to a typical smartphone, which often has a battery capacity of around 3,000 to 4,000 milliampere hours. However, the relationship between milliampere hours and actual charging performance involves other factors. The voltage at which the power bank operates influences how much energy is delivered during each charge. Most power banks operate at a standard voltage of about 3.7 volts, but when charging a device, the voltage often increases to 5 volts or higher through a process called voltage boosting. This means that the actual energy transferred depends on both the milliampere hour rating and the voltage conversion efficiency. Additionally, the amount of energy a power bank can provide is also affected by its internal circuitry and the quality of its components. Not all energy stored in the milliampere hours is necessarily transferred to your device due to energy losses during conversion and transmission. Therefore, a power bank with a higher mAh rating generally offers more charging capacity, but the real-world performance depends on these other technical factors. In summary, milliampere hours serve as a key indicator of a power bank's potential to store and deliver energy. A larger capacity means more stored energy, which typically results in more charges for your devices. But to fully understand how much power you will get from a specific model, consider both the mAh rating and the efficiency of the device's circuitry. This way, you can select a power bank that best fits your daily energy needs and keeps your devices ready for action.